1. Review your credit report. Obtaining a copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, is the first step towards repairing your credit. You can do this for free once a year from each bureau through annualcreditreport.com. Once you have your report, review it carefully to ensure that all the information is accurate. Look for errors such as accounts you didn't open, payments that were reported as late but were made on time, and inaccurate personal information. 2. Always dispute errors. If you find any errors on your credit report, you have the right to dispute them with the credit bureaus. You can do this online, by phone, or by mail. Make sure you provide as much information as possible to support your dispute, such as account numbers, dates, and any supporting documents. The credit bureaus are required to investigate your dispute and correct any errors within 30 days. 3. Pay bills on time. Payment history is the most important factor in determining your credit score. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your score. Make sure you pay your bills on time every month, including credit card bills, loan payments, and utility bills. If you have missed payments in the past, start making on-time payments starting now. Your payment history will start to improve, and your credit score will begin to recover. 4. Reduce your credit utilization. Credit utilization is the amount of credit you are using compared to the amount of credit you have available. A high credit utilization can have a negative impact on your credit score. Try to keep your credit utilization below 30% of your available credit limit. If you have a high balance on your credit card, consider paying it off or transferring the balance to a card with a lower interest rate. This will reduce your credit utilization and improve your credit score. 5. Increase your credit limit. Increasing your credit limit can also improve your credit utilization. Contact your credit card issuer to request a higher limit. This will increase the amount of credit you have available, which will lower your credit utilization. However, make sure you use the increased credit limit responsibly, and don't increase your spending. 6. Use credit responsibly. Be responsible with your credit by using it sparingly and only for purchases you can afford to pay back. Avoid opening too many new accounts at once, as this can lower your credit score. Keep your oldest accounts open, as this can help to establish a longer credit history, which is a positive factor in determining your credit score. 7. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to repair your credit on your own, consider seeking the help of a credit counseling agency or a credit repair company. Credit counseling agencies can provide you with guidance and advice on how to improve your credit, while credit repair companies can work with the credit bureaus and your creditors to dispute errors and negative information on your credit report. Just be sure to do your research and choose a reputable organization.